But the last use for this is you can take the hot fluid that this generates from your heat battery and you can put it through an air to water heat exchanger, like a radiator. In fact, that's how the heat in almost all of your cars and trucks work. It takes the heat from your engine transferred to the coolant, and it runs that coolant, which is now very hot, through what's called a heater core, and it's basically a radiator inside the cab of your truck or car, and there's a fan behind it that blows air through this radiator and heats the air and gives you warm heat for your cab. So that's the last thing you could do. You could actually buy small little air to water or water to air heat exchangers with fans, and you can mount them around your vehicle or around your space, and you could put them on little thermostats, and you can actually dial in the temperature you want a room, provided you size the heat exchanger big enough, and provided that you size the heat battery, the tank, and the diesel heater properly. You can have warm floors, warm air, warm water. You can really heat a lot, and that's where these shine. Yeah, they're complicated. It's a pain in the butt to build. A lot of plumbing, a lot of wiring, but when you take the time to do that, to create a heat battery and use one of these little diesel heaters, you can then take the heat and put it where you want to put it. And you can put it to work. You can, like I said, you can heat the air, you can heat the floors, you can heat the engine, you can heat potable water, you can do a lot with it. I hope I've helped you see a lot of the use cases. There is a couple of really good companies out there that already do this. Aqua Hot or Aqua Top, I don't know if they're the same. I do know that they're very expensive. I know they're fairly well made, they're very complicated, and they're designed for use in coaches, high-end coach buses. And they do exactly what you and I are talking about. They provide heat to the floor, to the air, to the engine, to make hot water. The negative about them, in my opinion, is that they have a lot of proprietary parts and circuitry, so when you have to do maintenance on them, it can be cost prohibitive to find a tech, to find parts. So that's why I'm sort of making my own, because the bulk of this stuff is available on Amazon or AliExpress, and I can replace it myself. And because I designed the system, I'll know the system.